Are you having dark spots, pimples, hyperpigmentation, acne, and they are very stubborn? Please don't scroll it. This video is for you. Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel, and it is nice to meet you for the first time. This is actually my first video here, and I hope it's reached the right audience. And if you come across this video, kindly like, subscribe to this channel, share this video, comment. Thank you. Let's get started to the main reason why we are here. And before that, I would like to show you guys my before and after. Guys, this is actually what motivated me to do this, because it is very surprising. I've been battling with this for 6 months. Let's talk about the products I use to get my transformation right. I use a facial wash, a facial gel, and I use acne, also known as tretinoin 0.05%. And the last on my list is sunscreen. I feel like everyone should have sunscreen these days. This is 2025, and whenever you're stepping out in the sun, use your sunscreen. It is very important, because why will you be using a particular product, or you have a lot of skincare but you're not using your sunscreen whenever you want to step out in the sun? That is very ridiculous. So guys, your sunscreen is very important. Apply a little quantity of water on your face. After then, apply your face wash, massage gently, leave for 2 minutes, then wash it off. And then make sure you dry your face with a very clean towel, and you go ahead to apply your face gel. After that, you leave it like that. If you know you are going out, please apply your sunscreen. And if you are not going out, you can just stay cool at home, just like that. So let's talk about tretinoin 0.05%. I use this just twice in a week and only at night. Tretinoin should be used just twice in a week and only at night. After washing your face, you apply your tretinoin, you leave for 2 minutes before applying your face gel, and then that's it. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe to this channel, comment, share this video to whoever you think might also need it. And thank you for staying till this moment. God bless. Bye.